A new report out today on chronic disease and mental health issues in the workplace. It was put together by HealthPartners, which connects 16 of Canada's health charities. Eileen Dooley is the CEO of HealthPartners. Hello, Eileen.
Hello, Michael.
Eileen, how common is chronic disease and mental health?
We find that there's a tremendous link between the two, Michael. We know that 87% of Canadians are likely to be affected by chronic disease over the course of their lifetime, and 1 in 4 Canadians is likely to be affected by mental health issues. So when you put it together, the numbers are absolutely staggering, and it's an issue that we all have to be cognizant of and to try and take some steps forward.
Eileen, does this affect productivity in the workplace?
Absolutely. Just the lost productivity cost from mental health alone is $51 billion every year. And we know that every single day in this country, 500,000 Canadians call in sick because of depression. It is an enormous issue. And many of those individuals are people that may have a chronic disease like cancer, heart disease, diabetes, or they may be a caregiver looking after a loved one that just simply are not able to cope.
HealthPartners works with, as I mentioned, 16 charities across Canada. How can those charities help with this issue?
Well, in our report, we've actually identified the ways in which our organizations are providing assistance to Canadians. So if you're a mom with a child who has diabetes, or your child has cystic fibrosis, or your father has Alzheimer's, there are supports and services that all of our members offer, and we've identified those.
So how do people tap into these services?
Well, they can join us. They can come to our website, www.healthpartners.ca, or I Am Living Proof.
Eileen Dooley, we will make sure we get a link to your website on our website. Thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you, Michael.